Frankenplanner friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today we are going to be setting up my Frankenplanner for the month of August. And if you don't know what Frankenplanning is, it is basically taking parts of one planner, or multiple planners I should say, and putting them all in one, hence the Franken part of Frankenplanning, like Frankenstein's monster, but it's Frankenstein's planner, so it's called Frankenplanning. Anyway, so I'm going to make a couple of changes this month, so let's get into it. The first thing I am going to do is I am not actually going to be doing a daily planner anymore. I've decided that I'm going to not do my daily sheets. I'm just going to take my poly clip off. I'm not going to be doing my daily sheets because I'm just not using them like I should be using them, and I'm fretting over doing videos on them and not being able to do them in time and all that type of stuff. So yeah, it's just like an extra 3 videos I have to do a week, and I think I could actually put that to more better use than to actually be doing the 3 daily planners. So I'll take them out of my planner book and I will pop them back into this book that I have been using for my just to keep them in, just as a place to store them all, because these are actually not from a planner, they're from an extension pack. I may go back to daily planning. I may decide to have got heaps of daily planner stuff in there. And I've actually got another extension pack back in my drawer. I might go back to daily planning. I'm not quite sure if I would do it every day, though. I might only start doing it like on the busy days that I have, and just do it for me and not actually film it. So that's something else. Okay, so I'll pop that there, and then I can take this one out because I don't need that one anymore, because then it will all lead into my catch-all. Sorry. So this is my catch-all planner. So the catch-all planner that I use is this one, and it's the Playful Tile book. So what I will do is I will take out June and put that in here. So this is what I do. I have 1 month. I have the previous month, the month I'm using, and then the following month in my planner at all times. So I'll take out June. So June is done and well and truly dusted. Oops. Sometimes it's easier if you do it on the discs that don't have a lot of pages on them. Okay, so I still will keep in there July, and of course I'll keep in there August, because that is the month that we're currently going to. But then I will put in September. So that means that then I will have September in there to be able to do some forward planning if I have things that are happening in September. I usually just jot that down on the monthly page. Okay, so that is that one done. Oops, so that is my catch-all. And then the next one that I have in here is my creative journal, and I use, this one, which is the Blushing It book. You can hear my little baby at the door. I've closed my door so he can't get in because he's a pain. So I am going to pop in here. I've got May there. So where my June went, let's have a look for June. It'll be somewhere. So I'm going to take out my, why did I have June? That must have been July. Now I'm not confused myself. No, that's it, June. Yeah, June, July, August. Oh, what have I done? What have I done? It's all right. Come back to June. There we go. I'm thinking, where's June? I've missed June, but June's here. I went one too far. Okay. So take out June. Oh dear. Got myself all confused there for a minute. Put in this folder, and then I will take out September, close it up. Be brave and kind and unapologetically you. I love that saying. Okay, so I'm going to move it to the end. He's still at the door crying. I don't know if you can hear him or not, but he's there. Little barks. Okay, hang on, I'll just stop and see what he wants. One sec. So here's the little culprit. You can see his little paws here. There's his little nose. Yeah, his name's Milo. He's a little mini foxy, and he is my little baby. So, yeah, you will hear him throughout my videos. He doesn't like Mummy doing things without him. He wants to sit on my lap. So, trying to get him to be a good boy is a very, very hard thing, isn't it, mate? Yes, it is. Now he's licking my lips. All right. Now hop down. Off you go. Mummy play with you in a minute. Okay, so the next one we come to is my social media. Now he's sitting on my foot under the desk. Social media planner, and I use this one, which is the something Mama planner. Oh, mixed media mum planner. Write them in there so I know what they are. So let us then take. I haven't got a June in here because I was using. I was tossing backwards and forwards using a monthly spread or monthly planner. I didn't like it, and then I went back to the to the dashboard, because this is the dashboard planner. So all I really need to do with this one is add in the September. So there we go. There is September. And I will add that one in. And one moment, and I will let him back out. Okay, so September's in there. And then what I have lastly in the back here is what I was going to use, I'm going to take that out actually for the moment, what I was going to use as my, I can't speak today, expenses and budget planner, but I haven't really used this as such. So I'm going to take the July out. I'm going to pop it back in here where it belongs. This is an undated planner that I had been using. I'm going to pop this back in here. I know that's the July one, but we're in August, so I'm only going to keep 1 month in there. I may use it. I'm not quite sure, because the layout is, and I've shown you this before, I think. It's really got all your expenses, like you have expenses and your income on one side, and then you have your accounts and your saving, and then you have your weekly expenses. Now, I've written down my expenses for the month, but we get paid fortnightly. Like Harvey gets paid one fortnight, I get paid the next fortnight. So I really need this, like fortnightly would be better, if you know what I mean. Then I could see what was coming up one fortnight, was coming out the next fortnight. So I don't know whether I'll use this or come up with something myself. So I'm going to take that out, and I'm also going to take out that at the back there, just for now. So, okay, so I've got my planners done for September, but I am going to add back in here, and you're all going to be laughing at me. I'm going to add back in here a wellness planner. I know. I stopped doing my wellness, and then I was sort of, I need to do my wellness. So I'm going to chuck a wellness one back in here. I might put it after. I'll just put it before my social media one, I think. So I'll leave that one in. I'll move that over. And what I will put in here is I will put August and September. Now this is the Radiate planner. So I will pop in there August and September, and I'll start again doing wellness, because I really need to do something about my fitness and wellness and things like that going forward. Even the doctor said I need to start doing some things like that, keep my stress levels down. So I'm thinking that if I do it in a planner, hopefully I might be a little bit more motivated. So let's just see if that theory comes to pass. Okay, so I'm going to pop that down, and then I'm going to take one of these ones that I took out before, these dividers, and pop that in there, and then I should have all of my sections. So let's go through them. The first one here is my is my catch-all. So that's my catch-all planner right through to September. Then we have my creative journal through to July, August, September. And then we have my wellness just for August and September. And then we have September. And then we have my social media from August to September. And then that's it, and a few little notes in the back. So that is my planner. Whoops, see my pages. Planner, and I will be doing a flip through of my July stuff, my completed July planners, very shortly, probably coming out after this video. So that's basically it for my planner, unless I add back in daily pages here and there, depending on what I want to do, or put back in the budget when I decide how I'm going to do that. Now, I've got this on expanded discs, but I'm just looking at it. Well, I think it still could keep on expanded discs. I might just keep it there for a minute, but I want to change up this cover because I don't know if you can see, but it keeps getting, especially the back, you see that? It just keeps getting really horribly dirty. No matter how much I clean it or how much I clean my desk or whatever, it just gets so dirty. Yeah, I suppose because it's black, but and I love having the hard cover on there, but I really haven't been travelling lately, and when I do travel, I actually put it in a case. So I'm thinking I might use one of the covers from these other planners that I've got, and I might switch it up depending on how I feel during each month. I've got a few more I can switch in and switch out. So I thought I might do that, and I thought I might start off using this one from the Mixed Media Mum planner. I'll take that off the back just because I really love the colours in it, the blues and the purples, or blues, purples, pinks. I nearly lost a fingernail then. Really, really like that. That really hurt too. Anyway, so I'll actually put the black cover on here just to keep this protected for now. Oh, you don't know how hard these covers are to put on sometimes. Lucky these. I know they're plastic discs. I was going to say lucky they're metal, but they're not. They're plastic. Oh, get on. Okay, so that's the first. Let's flip over and do the back. I think I like the back. It's prettier than the front. That's okay. And it's got a little bit of gold in it as well, so I thought it would go nicely. See, this is the gold, so it would go nicely with the gold discs. I might have a look at actually switching it out to, I do have gold discs, just gold discs. So I could switch it out to them, or I do have some black discs, so I might look at doing that. I might do, because those gold discs are looking a bit bulky for that. So if you wait on a minute, I'll just grab my gold discs. So when I was rummaging through my disc jar, because I just keep them in a jar like this. I actually have 2 jars. This one's for my metal discs, and I have one for my plastic discs. I came across these ones that came out of the Be Happy box, the last one we had, which is sort of like a minty colour, and I thought they looked nice, but no, I think we just stick with the gold. I also do have these ones too. I have these black round ones, which are more like, like a binder, but I think I want the gold. Okay, let's go with the gold. So this is how we change discs. I'll take that off as well. So the first thing I do is take off, and I'll just put them both on there, but I'll take them both off. First you do is take them both off, make sure you've got these up the right way, and pop your covers onto the disc first. Okay, I will speed through this bit so you don't have to watch me struggling So yes, I do like the gold on there, so we'll stick with the gold. Okay, so first of all, we'll take out these front pages. Now you do it a little bit, one lot of pages at a time, because you don't want to have to put too much. You can't put too much on at the same time. It just doesn't work. So usually, rule of thumb is 1 month at a time. I've got so much crap here. I'm just going to move some stuff over. Okay, so we'll put in August. So I'll only do this once to show you just how you pop them on, and then I will come back to you when I have finished. So I'll just do this lot for you. Just my catch-all, like so. So that's all my catch-all. And I will see you back when I have the rest of it done. So that's finally done. I'm thinking that looking a lot better just on the smaller discs. Yeah, and I'm liking the gold with it. So I think that is it, and I'm all set up, ready for August. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll catch you next time. See you later.